In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to buy a Ventura card in Chicago. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. All the information necessary for you to purchase a new Ventura card is going to be available on the Transit Chicago website at transitchicago.com. Alternatively, just look for Chicago Transit Authority on Google and you will arrive at the CTA website. In here is where you can gather the information and the specific locations in which you can acquire your very own transit card. So all that you have to do is use the menu at the top of the screen, click on fares, and under fare information you will find the locations necessary for you to purchase the Ventura card. So go to where to buy fare, and in this page, as you can see, they describe the process of buying new Ventura cards. You can buy new Ventura cards and disposable single ride or one-day Ventura tickets for every Ventura vending machine. So all that you have to do is locate a Ventura vending machine. Usually you can find these on the subways and on other specific locations listed here. You will be able to buy the card and immediately load it up with transit value for regular fares, or alternatively passes into Ventura cards. So they will be available at all CTA-L, aka rail stations, and at CTA's general offices on this address over here. So as long as you follow this specific address and you go to a CTA general office or at the rail stations on the L, you will be good to go. Alternatively, go to any of these 5 sites: Chicago Union Station, Ogilvie Transportation Center, Millennium Station, Navy Pier, or the Museum of Science and Industry, and you will be good to go to purchase a Ventura card. Afterwards, just load it up with transit value, and alternatively, you can download the latest version of the mobile app to manage your card easily, so you don't have to go to a physical location afterwards. I hope I was able to help you on how to buy a Ventura card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.